Hey there everyone and welcome to my channel. From today, we are going to start an exciting series on Go. In this series, we will explore all the concepts of Go starting from very basics. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Go was developed by Google in 2007. It is a general purpose programming language, means that it is designed to be used for a wide range of applications and support concurrent programming, means that we can run multiple programs at the same time. Now that we have seen a very quick introduction about Go, you might be wondering why learning Go is worthwhile. So let us see some of the remarkable features and practical applications of Go. First one is concurrency and performance. If you have ever wanted that your software runs really fast and can do multiple tasks at the same time, then Go has got you covered, as it has a very special feature called Go routines, which enables us to perform multiple tasks at the same time. Next is DevOps and infrastructure. Because Go is fast, efficient, and can handle a large number of concurrent tasks, it allows developers to write code that can easily scale. Go also excels in creating command line tools, which help automate tasks like deploying, managing infrastructure, etc. The demand for Go developers is on the rise as more companies are switching to Golang. The reason for this increasing trend are the language simplicity and speed. Companies like Google, Docker, Uber extensively uses Go in their development practices. Now that you have seen a glimpse of the power of Go, I hope you are as excited as I am. In our next lecture, we will dive into setting up the Go environment and will create our first Go program. So, see you there.